Good morning, little rabbits. Welcome to Online Learning Week 6. I hope everything is going well for you. I miss you very much. I'm going to go through this week's lessons for honors. The first thing that we have on the agenda is a 7th grade Zoom meeting. That's this Thursday at 1 o'clock. Attendance is not required, but if you want help on any assignments or have any questions, that's the time to do that. Or obviously during my office hours too, but that will be the live meeting. The link for that is down here on the bottom of the page. Other thing is this Friday, May 1st, is a new no red ink assignment. This is on commonly misused words. I think you'll find this one to be the easiest one we've ever done. I was looking at it and it's not going to be a problem for you. Just go through and look at the lesson first, and then it'll be beyond doable. Next is due Sunday. I want you to read up to page 78 of Tangerine. If you're using my PDF, that's how far to go. If you're doing your own version or if you have your own book, you're reading up to the journal entry of Saturday, September 23rd. Okay? Then you need to complete the characterization chart. What I've done is I've included this mini lesson on characterization. There are 5 methods of characterization, and the chart goes through and follows this almost exactly. I made a point of having it match up to this. When you're doing your chart, let me go back to or show you that. Here's the actual chart. When you're doing your actual chart, when you get to what he says, like what a character says or what others say about him, make sure you're using direct quotes from the passage. When you're at appearance, for example, the book gives a really good job of giving the physical appearance of several characters, but on other ones it's a little more vague. So as you scroll down and you're doing appearances, if the book doesn't specifically mention it, I want you to use your imagination. And yes, the more you entertain me, the happier I'll be. Obviously keep it school appropriate, but do a genuine, visualization of what you think that character might look like. I think that honestly covers it. So if you have any questions as you go through, be sure to find me on our meeting at 1 o'clock on Thursday. Otherwise, I'll talk to you soon, or feel free to see me during office hours. Love you very much. Bye-bye.